from rich parents.
Me? No. Why would you think that?
Did you win the lottery to get that?
No, I got it for free.
Free? Those things are like $400. How long would you get it for free?
With this. It's my Learning Point Rewards card. My parents and others I've given the cards to use it, and when they shop, I get points for free prizes like this.
Really?
Yeah, you can get tons of cool stuff with Learning Point Rewards. My little sister got a new bike, and my brother got an Xbox 360.
Yeah, I heard he got a new Xbox, but I didn't know he got it for free. So how do I get free stuff?
It's easy. Step 1. Get a Learning Point Rewards card from your school and register it online. Learning Point Rewards cards are free, and students from kindergarten to high school can get them. Then, go online to www.learningpointrewards.com and register your card. Kids under 13 should get help from their parents. Once you've registered, choose a goal from the millions of prizes available in the online catalog. Each prize is worth points, and you earn points when your card is used. You can also give cards to grandparents, family members, and friends, and every time they use the card, you earn points.
Points? Where do the points come from?
Well, do your parents buy gas, groceries, tires, or eat out at restaurants?
Well, yeah, of course, they do all those things.
Then it's a piece of cake. Step 2. Shop at places that are part of the Learning Point Rewards program. There are hundreds of retailers that accept your Learning Point Rewards card. They are listed on the website, and you can look for this sign on the front doors. Whenever you buy something, they swipe your Learning Point Rewards card, and points are added to your account online. Remember to get cards for your parents, grandparents, and others to build your points even faster. Also, each time a card is used, a portion of the purchase goes to your school district. You earn points for free stuff, and your school gets funding for education. So the people you give cards to shop, and you watch your points grow.
That is sweet.
Yep, there's just one more thing to do.
What's that?
It's the best part. Step 3. Get your reward. When you get enough points for your goal, go to the Learning Point Rewards website and order it. You don't have to send any money, just order it and it's yours. Then, choose a new goal.
That is really cool, but what if some of my favorite stores aren't a part of the program?
Then tell them about Learning Point Rewards. They can support education and increase their business by joining the program.
Well, I'm getting some Learning Point Rewards cards today, so I can get a sweet iPod like yours, and an Xbox like Mark's, and some new Nikes, and I need more music for my iPod, and a new skateboard, basketball, and rollerblades.